In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Figma cache. If Figma is slow, not loading recent changes, or behaving inconsistently in your browser, clearing its cached data in Chrome often fixes the issue. We're going to remove Figma's stored cookies and site data specifically without affecting your other sites. Keep in mind that this will likely sign you out of Figma in the browser, and some assets will need to reload the next time you open a file. Start in Google Chrome. Look to the very top right corner of the window and click the 3 vertical dots. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can change settings and manage your browser. From that menu, choose Settings. It's usually near the bottom. This takes you to Chrome's control center, where privacy, security, and site data options live. On the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section governs how Chrome handles cookies, cached content, and permissions like camera or clipboard access. We'll use it to find and remove Figma's stored data. Next, open third-party cookies. Depending on your Chrome version, the layout and wording may look slightly different, but you'll still be in the right place. We're not changing cookie behavior here. We're using this path to reach the Site Data Overview. Now click See All Site Data and Permissions. This page lists everything Chrome has saved for websites you've visited, including cookies, local storage, and other cached items. Clearing a site here targets only that site's data, which is safer than wiping your entire browser cache. Use the search bar at the top and type Figma. You should see entries like figma.com and possibly related subdomains. Filtering this way ensures you don't accidentally delete data for unrelated sites. On the right side of each Figma entry, click the bin or trash can icon to remove its stored data. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm. This action deletes Figma's cookies and local storage from Chrome, which effectively clears the cache for the browser version of Figma. As a heads up, you'll probably be signed out and will need to log in again the next time you open Figma on the web. That's it. Head back to your Figma tab, refresh the page, and sign in if needed. Your files should load fresh content, and many glitches caused by stale data should be resolved. This process affects only the browser version. If you use the desktop app, it manages its own cache separately. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get Figma running smoothly again.